Right now I'm standing in one of Data3's state-of-the-art distribution and integration centres. I'm in Brisbane, one of 4 facilities across Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and WA. And for perspective, that's 6,349 metres squared of warehouse space, or the ability to store 4,142 pallets. These centres enable us to do what many other service providers can't: provide support and assistance throughout the entire IT hardware and software supply chain process, from initial order through to delivery. It's one of many service offerings that sets Data3 apart. If you work in IT, you probably know just how tedious, costly and resource draining it is to manage and procure devices, but it doesn't have to be. At Data3, we take care of your entire hardware lifecycle with a flexible service to get the right hardware into the hands of your people wherever and whenever they may need them. With our team of logistics specialists working across our 4 major distribution and integration centres, you can rely on our secure and efficient processes for equipment consolidation, storage, configuration and transportation. Let's take a look at how it all comes together.
Using our cross-docking order management method, you can purchase all your IT products within one purchase order and have them consolidated into one single shipment. No more placing multiple orders with different vendors or sporadic shipments. You also won't be waiting on inventory. Over 2 decades, we perfected our forecasting and stock holding processes to ensure in-demand products are on hand, ready for same-day, time-critical, domestic express and also international shipping. Throughout the process, all technology assets are accurately captured, recorded, including asset tagging, recording of serial numbers, device identifiers and media access control devices. What this means for you is that you can draw on available inventory as needed and deploy hardware with ease.
We can reserve inventory for consignment, giving you the option to purchase, pay, insure and store goods for up to 90 days, with the option to extend until you're ready to dispatch. Looking specifically at devices, we have several deployment options. Pre-imaged for zero-touch deployment on your side, so out of the box the apps, settings and security profiles are installed. Our specialist team can pre-image more than 10,000 devices per month. Staff-initiated on-site cloud deployment that can be triggered once your team member receives their device, or a hosted image solution that acts like an on-site deployment server, allowing devices to be imaged from a deployment point within your own virtual environment. Once devices are delivered, we can further assist with operating system updates, software installation and configuration, BIOS or firmware updates and even factory restoration if required. We work to deliver the solution that best suits you and your end users. For networks and data centres, we can support all components including blades, chassis and rack installation, including a burn-in testing service to ensure your server works seamlessly. We can also manage installation and configuration for communications equipment and uninterruptible power supply devices. Finally, it's worth mentioning that in the case of faulty devices, we manage your service call ensuring the device is repaired or replaced. For retired devices, we offer secure and environmentally friendly disposal service. We also offer reverse logistics services to support your own renew and reuse programs to avoid unnecessary waste. Data3 is certified to the international standard ANZ ISO 9001:2015. We have a quality management system that meets all the requirements of this certification. This system includes company guidelines, guidebooks, and business process documentation, ensuring our services are always of the highest standard. Our certification extends across all our warehouse and integration centres in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and Western Australia.
Choosing Data3 for your supply chain needs means receiving seamless, efficient and reliable services that meet all your business requirements. Our facilities provide storage, staging and configuration services across various global vendor products and brands. Our highly skilled team of logistics specialists operate across our supply chain and national logistics teams covering functional areas with extensive industry experience. Get in touch with our team today to discover how Data3 can support your logistics lifecycle from procurement to disposal.